Welcome to the guide to Afterpay Autopay setup. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up automatic payments with Afterpay, a popular buy now pay later service. To start, you need to have an Afterpay account and a payment method linked to your account, such as a credit or debit card. First, log into your Afterpay account and navigate to the Settings or Payment Options section. Look for the Autopay option and select it to begin the setup process. You will be asked to confirm your payment method and authorize Afterpay to automatically charge your linked card on the due date of your installments. Next, review the terms and conditions of the Autopay setup, including the payment schedule and amount. Make sure you understand the payment terms and the consequences of missing a payment. Afterpay will send you reminders before each payment is due, but it is still important to ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid late fees. To complete the Autopay setup, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions and confirm your payment method. Afterpay will then automatically charge your linked card on the due date of your installments. You can manage your Autopay settings at any time by logging into your account and navigating to the Payment Options section. It is essential to regularly review your payment schedule and account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover your payments. If you need to cancel or change your Autopay setup, you can do so by contacting Afterpay customer support or logging into your account and updating your payment options. In conclusion, setting up Autopay with Afterpay is a straightforward process that can help you manage your payments and avoid late fees. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a seamless payment experience and make the most of the Afterpay service. Remember to regularly review your account and payment schedule to ensure you are in control of your finances.